Hey guys, welcome to the free video section of our website. So today we are going to cover the installation of SQL Server and SQL Management Studio. For more details, you can also check our website, ETL testing. And if you have any query regarding the free video, then you can speak your mind in the comment section. Okay, so let's start. So for installing SQL in your system, what you need to do is go to your Google browser and search for download SQL Server. That's it. So the first link which you'll get is SQL Server Downloads by Microsoft. Open this link and you will be redirected to this page, and scroll a bit down and you will see that there is a Express Edition as well as Developer Edition. So in my recording sessions, we will be working with the Express Edition. So you'll get the latest version of Express Edition over here. So hit the download now button and it will start downloading by default. After it gets downloaded, run the exe file and you will be asked a security message that whether you want to make changes in your device or not. You have to reply with yes, and it will start getting the installation type. So what kind of installation type you want to start with? So I want to go with custom installation, so I'll select that one. It is providing me the path where the SQL Server is going to be located. I'll press the install button and see it has started acquiring all the setup files. Now it will install all the packages of SQL Server. First of all, you need to install the backend of this file. That means if I explain you in a layman term, see, basically SQL Server comes with two platforms. One is the backend, other one is the front end. Fine. So for now we are installing SQL Server. So this one is the backend of our file. That means it will store all the, we can say, dependents and the dependent files within it. And after that, we will install the front end of SQL, that will be SQL Management Studio. So what is the difference between SQL Server, the configuration manager and the SQL Management Studio? Basically, this is the front end where you are going to execute all the queries, and those queries will go to the backend and it will fetch the data from there and it will show you or review all the data over here. So first of all, we will be installing this one, the backend, then we will install the front end. Fine. So we need to wait until this gets completed. So it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to get downloaded in your PC, and it also depends on the processing, we can say, the speed of the processor, how it is getting downloaded. Fine. So for now we are installing SQL Server, right, the backend. So let us wait until it gets completed. So as you can see, it is about to complete. So now it is extracting all the setup files. So we are done. After that, you will get this kind of dialog box where you have to select the first option that you want to go with a standalone installation, because we are coming with a fresh installation. We haven't installed it uh, previously. So I'll go with this. Again, it is coming with some license terms. You need to accept all of them and then go with the next button. Go with next. It is checking for updates. And done. You can go to the next. So the next step is containing all the setup files. It is downloading, extracting and installing all of them. So after this is completed, we can go to install the rules and feature the selections and all. Done. Go to the next. It is containing all the instance features of SQL. Okay. So you don't need to make any changes. Go with next. Then it is asking for the default that you want to install, the default instance or the named instance. So we'll go with named instance, that is SQL Express, and go with the next button. It is saying that do you want to install GRE, which is included in the installation? Yes, we want to. So we'll go with the next step. And then again next. So here it is asking for the server configuration, that whether you want to go with the mixed mode or Windows authentication mode. We'll go with the mixed mode, and then I'll go with the password as 411. You can keep your password according to your requirement, and then next. Again, it is coming with some more concerns. You need to accept them and then go with the next step. As you can see, it is asking me to wait for a moment until it gets executed, and then next. Again, need to accept some license terms that is based on Python. Then press the next button. It will register all the features, it will expand them and generate the features by adding all of them. So we'll wait until it gets produced, or schedule the features. Okay. So as you can see, it has successfully completed the whole installation. So now we have completed the installation of the backend. Now we'll close it, and then we will install the SQL Management Studio, the front end. So this time I'll go for install SQL Management Studio. Search for this and go to the link of Microsoft and open it. It will be uh, it will redirect to this page, and you need to download this one from here. Download button, and see it has started downloading the exe file. It will be completed within 2 minutes. So we'll wait until it is completed. So as you can see, the SQL Management Studio has got installed. Now you need to double click on it, on the exe file, and it will get opened like this. It will ask a security message that whether you want to make changes in your PC or not. You have to reply with yes, and then a dialog box will be opened like this where you have to install it. So press the install button and it will load all the packages that is containing Microsoft SQL Management Studio. So as you can see, the package progress is about to complete. So when the overall progress will get completed, then we'll move to the next step of this installation process. So until then, we have to wait. So now it is asking to restart your computer before the setup can continue. So you can also close it, like when the setup will be completed, then also we can restart the PC. So I'll go with close. And now you need to close all the tabs and then restart your computer. Then the whole installation will be completed. Fine. So hope you have got the installation part, and thank you for joining.